Ravi is 26. He runs the counter at a medical store in a small town, 12-hour shifts, 9,000 rupees a month, one Sunday off. Every night he watches videos of people his age working in air-conditioned offices, earning in a month what he earns in a year, and one question eats at him. Is it too late? This video is the honest answer. Not motivation. A plan, the same one that has taken real people from counters like his into IT. Like my last story, Ravi is a composite, built from the real journeys of people who came into IT late, from shop counters, pharmacies, delivery jobs, and family businesses. No made-up miracles. Every number in this video is the unglamorous, realistic version. And I'll tell you up front what this path is not. It is not 6 months to a data scientist salary. It's 18 months to a foothold, then a ladder that actually goes up. If you're 24, 26, even 30 and standing where Ravi stands, this one is for you. First, let's kill the too late question with arithmetic. At 26, you will work until roughly 60. That's 34 more years of career. The skill building this plan needs is 18 months. 18 months is 4% of your remaining runway. You are not late. You're early with a detour. And the counter job? It isn't wasted time. Ravi can handle angry customers, count money under pressure, and show up every single day. That's customer handling, accountability, and discipline. IT companies struggle to teach exactly those things. What he's missing is only the technical layer. So let's build it. Step 1. Before touching a single course, Ravi does a brutally honest audit of his starting square. For questions. 1. Education. Ravi has a BCom from a local college, and that's genuinely enough. A degree in IT is a filter checkbox, not a knowledge test. If you only have 12th, plan a distance degree in parallel. It unlocks doors later. 2. English, not fluent speaker English, but reading documentation and writing a clean email. Ravi's is weak, so 10 minutes of his daily study goes to it. 3. Hours. He can protect 2 hours after the shop closes at 9. 4. Money. His family can survive maybe 2 months without his salary, which means one rule is carved in stone. He does not quit the shop until an offer letter is in his hand. Step 2. The skill plan. 18 months, 4 phases, built for someone starting from a shop counter, not from a coding bootcamp brochure. Ravi's setup is humble. His Android phone for the first 3 months, then a second-hand laptop for 18,000 rupees. His single biggest investment, saved over 4 months. Every night, 9:30 to 11:30, at the small table after the family sleeps. No paid course, no 40,000 rupee institute. Everything he needs is free, and the discipline can't be bought anyway. 2 hours every night. That boring sentence, repeated 500 times, is the entire secret between the counter and the office. The 4 phases. Months 1 to 3, on the phone. Computer fundamentals, typing speed. Yes, typing. Aim for 35 words a minute, and Excel from absolute zero, because Excel runs half of Indian business. Months 4 to 8, on the laptop. SQL, the language of data, 1 hour a night on free practice sites until queries feel like breathing. Months 9 to 12, basic Python, just enough to clean files and automate boring things. And months 13 to 18, proof and applications. Build 2 small projects with real shop data he understands. Sales tracking, stock expiry alerts. Put them on GitHub and start applying in waves. Notice what's missing, nothing fancy. Boring, employable fundamentals. Here's the moment it becomes real, month 5. Ravi writes his first useful query on data he actually understands. Which medicines in the shop expire in the next 60 days, and how much money is at risk, sorted by loss. He shows the owner. The owner starts asking him for the list every month. Understand what just happened. A shop counter employee became, unofficially, a data analyst, with 15 lines of SQL. Your domain knowledge, shop, pharmacy, workshop, farm, is not a handicap. Attached to SQL, it's your first portfolio. Step 3. Money, the part every honest minter must say slowly, because the first number will disappoint you. Brace for the honest part. Ravi's first IT salary will likely be 16 to 22,000 a month, barely double the shop, and in a city where rent eats the difference. If you judge this plan by month 1, it fails. But look at the 2 curves. The shop's salary is a flat line, 9,000 at 26, maybe 14,000 at 40. The IT salary compounds, 18 at entry, 35 to 45 by year 2 or 3, 70 to a lakh plus by year 5 as he climbs into data work. The shop pays you for your hours. IT pays you for your skills, and skills compound while hours never do. You're not switching jobs. You're switching curves. The transition rules that keep this from becoming a disaster story. 1. The offer letter comes first, the resignation second, always. 2. Before moving to a city, 2 to 3 months of expenses saved, minimum. 3. Beware the institutes charging 50 to 80,000 rupees with placement guarantees. Most place you in the same jobs you can reach free, minus your family's savings. The free stack plus a GitHub portfolio beats them. 4. Bring your family in early. Show them the 18-month plan with dates and numbers, not just a dream. When your father can see the staircase, he stops fearing the jump, and their support is worth more than any course. Step 4. The entry doors, because at 26 without a tech degree, you don't enter IT through the front gate. You enter through the doors that are actually open. 5 doors, ranked by fit, not glamour. IT support and help desk. Ravi's 12 years of handling people is literally the job description. MIS and advanced data entry roles, where his Excel and SQL stop being study topics and start being superpowers. Most MIS teams run on exactly that. Manual QA testing, pattern spotting, and patience, coding optional on day 1. Tech process BPO, yes, night shifts, but a company email address and an internal ladder. And staffing agencies serving IT parks in Pune, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Indore, they place thousands of exactly Ravi profiles. The snobbery about these jobs is a luxury of people who already have jobs. Every one of them is a door into the building, and careers are built inside the building. Now the application phase, with real numbers so rejection doesn't break you. Ravi applied to roughly 200 positions over 4 months. About 25 replied at all. 9 turned into interviews. 3 of those he badly fumbled, and that's normal too. Early interviews are practice you can't get any other way. 2 offers came. He took the MIS executive role at 19,000 a month in Pune because it sat closest to data, 200 to 2. If you think that ratio means you're failing, no. That ratio is the process. The only people who never get the offer are the ones who stop at application 40. Step 5. Inside the building, where Ravi stops being a job seeker and starts being what this channel is about, a data person climbing. First day, a badge, a desk, a company email. Nobody claps. To everyone else, it's just an MIS role. But watch the compounding start. Ravi automates the daily report that took his team 2 hours. He becomes the person who fixes the Excel nobody else can. 6 months in, he's pulled into every meeting where numbers matter. The same pattern from my last video, solve visible data problems, then ask for the data team, starts working for him too, 1 level down the stack. The entry door was MIS. The staircase inside goes, reporting analyst, data analyst, and with 2 more years of night study, data engineer.
It's not the model. It's the data.
And that line, it's not the model, it's the data, is why Ravi's unglamorous MIS seat is secretly the right seat. He's already where the data lives. The inside ladder, year by year. Year 1. Own the report so completely that his name means reliable. Year 2. SQL and everything, small Python automations. The title reporting analyst starts fitting. Year 3. Apply internally and externally as a data analyst. 35 to 50,000 a month territory. Years 4 and 5. Layer on cloud fundamentals. My Azure end-to-end project video is literally that curriculum, free, linked below, and step into junior data engineering. From there, everything on this channel applies. The projects, the interviews, and yes, eventually, the Gulf videos too. And that's the quiet promise at the end of this staircase. Not year 2, but year 6, year 8? A data engineer with 5 years of experience is exactly who Dubai and Riyadh recruiters message on LinkedIn. The man who once counted strips of tablets at a counter, standing in an airport with a work visa in his passport. It's not a fantasy, It's the same staircase, continued. One version of Ravi stops at a good Pune salary, and that's already a transformed family. Another version keeps climbing to the Gulf chapter. Both are wins. The only losing version is the one still standing at the counter at 40, wondering. Before the plan recap, what this actually buys, because it was never about laptops and job titles. 3 years after leaving the counter, Ravi earns more in a month than the shop paid in for. His younger sister's exam fees stopped being a family crisis. His mother's knee operation happened in a good hospital, without a loan, without begging a relative. And when he visits home, the shop owner, his old boss, asks him, half joking, half serious, whether Ravi could build him that expiry report again. He does it in 10 minutes on his phone. Free. That feeling of the ladder holding your whole family's weight. That's what the 18 months of 9:30 to 11:30 actually purchased. The whole plan on one screen. Step 1. Audit yourself. Education, English, protected hours, money runway. Step 2. 18 months of free skills. Typing and Excel, then SQL until it's reflex, then basic Python, then 2 projects from data you already understand. Step 3. Money rules. No quitting before the offer, 2 months buffer, no 50,000 rupee institute traps. Step 4. Enter through the real doors, support, MIS, QA, tech BPO, 200 applications, expect single-digit interviews, take the door nearest to data. Step 5. Climb inside, own reports, become the SQL person, analyst by year 3, data engineer by year 5. Screenshot this. This is the map. The fine print said plainly, 18 months is the floor. Plenty of real people took 3 years, and they still won. A delayed staircase beats a permanent counter. Your first IT salary may barely beat your current one. If that breaks you, this path isn't ready for you yet. Life will interfere. Health, family duties, a bad month. Those adjust your timeline, never your direction. And the flip side of all this honesty, every single resource in this plan is free, and the first step, tonight's first hour of typing practice or Excel, costs exactly nothing. The odds aren't certain, but the entry fee is 0, and the downside is you learned Excel and SQL. That trade doesn't exist anywhere else in your town. So if you're reading this from a shop counter, a pharmacy, a delivery bike, a security desk, at 24, 26, or 30, here's your move, and it's smaller than you think. Tonight, before you sleep, install a typing app or open the free Excel course link below. 1 hour. Not the whole staircase, just the first stair. 18 months from now, there are 2 versions of you, and only one of them started tonight. If Ravi's staircase spoke to you, subscribe. This channel is full of the later steps. The Azure project for year 4, the interview videos, the Gulf series for the long game. Comment and tell me exactly where you're standing right now. Shop, BPO, support desk, or already climbing. And what's blocking your 2 hours? I read everything, and the next videos come from those comments. Share this one with the friend who keeps saying it's too late for them. It isn't, but the clock only starts when they do. See you in the next one.